I haven't done a very good job documenting anything, so this is the upstairs of the two-story. We're one sheet away from finishing, which is right there. We hang the doors up, put the siding on. Got to do the battens, but before I start the battens, I got to do the flooring in there and finish the flooring around the edges and whatnot. I have some more C-purlins for the inside wall that goes right here. I got to clean the garage up. I also have the doors. It's time to get this stuff done. Get out of here. We just put the U-joint in Katie's truck. We're going to drive it, hopefully, after we get up to speed on what we did to this thing a couple months ago, or last month. We got a 86 model frame that had a rear end, yes. So I just put the U-joint in there. Put the 86 model rear end in here with leaf springs. Got rid of the coils and then 2 lateral bars. Oh man, I gotta bolt that carrier bearing back up before we take off.